It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Morning, Lnspltters. Today we're heading to the flea market
to get some fleas.
Stupid. We're going to this event called Bring Your Own Big Wheel, where you buy like kids trike and you race.
Yo, Coachella car camping. Day 2. We're just trying to find our camp spot right now.
Oh shit, the stage right there. Look at that stage.
That's the
stage.
main stage over there. I heard headlining is Ricky Martin. Living La Vida Loca, baby. Ass kid's helmet.
Yeah, that's how you get lights and shit.
Yeah, but I didn't get it. What are you saying?
Found our first candidate. You can't fit here though.
Yeah, I won't be able to fit.
Way too small.
You gotta chop it.
Just spotted one right here on the truck. Ask him.
Hey, how much for this?
Sit on it. For $5, hell yeah.
You at him.
Your chain? Oh.
Yeah.
Good eye, huh?
Yeah, good eye, bro.
Hawk eye, fool.
Now I can just ride around. Fast and the Got this for $3, baby.
$3.
Take it down this hill, bro. A glimpse.
Take $1. Clothes, shoes, everything $1 plus $1. It's the table, different prices, okay? No
Fuck it, I'll take these two.
Some JDM finds.
Sick.
Can you get both?
Yeah, $2.
Welcome to the flea market, where somebody's trash is another man's treasure.
Also JDM, dude.
Nice, dude.
GTR, bro.
$1 each.
prices,
Dollar.
prices, clothes, shoes, $1. Clothes.
Solid. Coachella day 2. About to go to the Do Lab. Ready? Yeah, yeah. Yo, Do Lab, baby. Yeah.
So we're going to this place called Call Me Dragon, where they sell dragon meat. And this is how you become the Lord of the Dragon. Khaleesi! Khaleesi! Khaleesi, turn around! We got some hutiyu nam bang before we chop our trikes. Take a picture, send Sheila.
What's his name?
Molly. This one's gonna be a spare, a backup. This is Taw's big wheel. This is mine. So what we're gonna do to this one is that we're gonna fix the turning radius. Show that one.
Bar spin.
Yeah, that one you can turn.
Bar spin.
Full turn. This one stuck. I'm gonna remove all this Sharpie and then scoot the seat back. And also we're gonna fix the pedal so now it spins. We want it to be like this one, no spin. Same with this one as well. So next we're trying to make sure they spin in a 360. So we figured out in order to have a full 360 spin, we gotta chop this off right here. This one and this one.
This is how you metal bend.
All right, got the axle on. Spin freely. So we just got to our home turf.
Stop the wheel, baby.
This is where we used to drift trike.
So we just got to the park. This is gonna be the course right behind me.
Welcome to Todd World.
Welcome to Big Home Big Wheel 2019. How are they gonna steer?
I don't know. It's pretty sick.
How many times do you guys think San and Tal will make it down the run? Make your guesses. How many times?
One.
How many times do you think San and Tal will make it down the run? Ethan? One? Okay guys, leave your comments down below how many times you think you'll make it. We got one last runner.
One last one.
One last run! They're going! Or there, stop! That's all. It's a shit show! vlog with them.
Banana split, baby. Banana split.
How'd you fall, dude?
It's cracks.
Oh.
So then my wheel was turning and it hit the crack.
Victory! Guys, whoever commented below and saw how many, or guess how many times they were gonna make it to the bottom, who got it right? Oh, this is a thumbnail right here. Oh my god!
I smell it. I ate it, yeah.
Good thing you have a first aid kit. Okay, so what's today's damage? How's the trike?
Trike is still good.
Okay, all the wheels still on it. Yeah,
This is the handles kind of. I think this may have been fake. I'm not too sure.
And then we got some battle scars. Okay, what about you?
Yeah, nothing.
Pretty boy, you didn't really ride.
I rode hard, right?
I rode hard. How many times? How many times do you think Son and Tall will make it down the run, Ethan?